What's up, Panda fam? Koyuki Panda here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I have gone stir crazy. There's certain things going around globally happening. Not fun. Everybody has to kind of stay home. Not with it, but it is what it is. I work from home, so it's fine. Things will be okay. To pass the time though, I need to clean my office. It's really bad in here. I say office, but it's like a spare bedroom in the apartment. But it is now my office. Like, it's my office. As you can probably see, I've got like books that are like out of order. I need to get my books together. I need to clean up in here. Shinji and I have basically been cleaning the house. And then after I do this, I still have to do the rest of the house, my end of the house. I'm not gonna show you guys that. That's, you know, that'd be boring. I mean, this is probably boring too, but I like this kind of stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. But I definitely need to organize my office, and that includes my inventory and my bookshelf. Hopefully this is not like super long, and I don't want to break this into parts because I don't know if you guys will find this to be interesting, but I like stuff like this when it comes to like room stuff and like, but yeah, hopefully you guys will find this to be interesting, and let's get started. Yeah, yeah, you know the deal. Also, before we get started, like, subscribe, enjoy. If you like my sweater, if you like my array of manga, definitely consider subscribing. But anyway, on to the video. I am finally done. There's like a few other things that I could like rummage around and like put in other places, but to be quite honest, I don't have enough time. It is already like 6:30 and I think when we started it was like 4. So I've been at this for about 3.5 hours, I think. No, like 2.5 hours or so. Getting hungry. There's always that, you know, gotta eat. Batteries are dying. I'm on my 3rd battery right now. And I feel like this is gonna be a pretty long thing to edit, so I'm done. I would say 90% of what I wanted to get done got done. There were a few other things that I wanted to do, like putting certain things in shelving, putting certain stuff away. But as far as like the room being like a cohesive space and like clean and like me feeling like I can work in here again, that is definitely achieved. There's a hair. Anyway, that has been achieved, so I think I'm good. Thank you. Shinji's sneezing and cooking. It's not a good combination. It's not a good combination at all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for cleaning with me. I really need to clean my office space. I say office, but I should say studio. It feels more like artsy if I say studio. I like the sound of a studio, even though this is not quite a studio. It's a room. But that's fine. Thank you for hanging out with me and cleaning with me. I hope it was not like super boring. This is not the usual kind of things that I'm gonna have up here, but I thought this was kind of cool. And plus there's not really much else to do. As I mentioned earlier, we're kind of like stuck at home for reasons which I'm sure you all know. So yeah, that's him again. That's anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it motivated you to clean your space, clean your house, whatever, keep, you know, the germs away and stuff. If you like this video or if you like my content, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. Definitely give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, if you want to support me in the channel, please subscribe. There's going to be more manga creation videos. I'm thinking to do some like small tutorial stuff. And before I go, quick shout out to my Patreons. I love you so much, Patreons. Thank you so much for supporting me every month and making my life and my dream livable, especially in these times, these very trying times. It's very scary. So thank you so much for supporting me every month, and I love you. And if you want to be a Patreon and help support me, help support the channel, help support my manga creation goals and my dream to becoming a manga artist, you can join my Patreon. It's as low as $1 a month. The link is gonna be down below. There's a whole bunch of goodies and stuff in there. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm hungry. Husband's cooking. I have to go. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Peace.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come.